This is my 10-year-old son Marcus, and today we're going to change, or Marcus is going to change, the cabin filter on a Hyundai i30. Now, if you've ever had your car serviced before, I'm sure you've had that dreaded phone call from a mechanic saying, hey, by the way, you need to change your cabin filter, your air filter, this filter, that filter, and you're not paying thousands of dollars you don't need to. So I'm going to show you how easy it is with my 10-year-old son, and we're going to show him how to change a cabin filter on a Hyundai i30. Now, the i30 cabin filter, you can order these through Amazon if you want. You can go to Supercheap, Repco. They're going to range anywhere between $20 and $40. Where at mechanics, you may be charged $60, $70, $80, who knows. But let's get stuck into it and show you how easy it is to change this cabin filter on a Hyundai i30. All right, mate, have you ever changed a cabin filter on a Hyundai i30?
No.
Do you even know what it is? No. Oh dear. All right, Mr. Mechanic. Cabin filter is going to be in behind the glove box. So you need to pull the glove box down. Now, you're going to see these two little knobs there. Give them a twist. You might just need to loosen up, that's it. So some glove boxes, you squeeze the inside and it falls out. This one's got two little rubbers. Show us those rubbers. Two little rubbers, one on either side, which you just twist and they pop out. Cool, so that's going to show us the cabin filter, which is in the back there. So now you're just going to pull that cover off, the cabin filter. If you squeeze a little two ends together, look at that. So this one, you just squeeze these two together and that pops off, and that shows that's your cabin filter. So if you just squeeze that cabin filter and pull it out, give it a squeeze, Marcus. Get your hands in there. It's a bit tight sometimes, these ones, so don't be afraid. You can't break it, just rip in there and pull it. You're right, mate. The white bit. Just put your hands in the middle. Yep, pull the white bit out. Yeah, we probably want to empty that glove box first. Alright, look at that. That is your cabin air filter. So, not too bad. This one's only just been changed recently, but sometimes you'll see this one and it's full of dust and dirt. And you can just go and get that changed. There's a part number if you need a part number. But you can just go into Repco, Supercheap, any of those. They'll supply you one, grab another one, and then to put it in, you just slide it on in, Marcus. Slide it in, then put that long cover back on. Just clips into the sides again. Just push it. Perfect. You hear that click. Lift the glove box up and chuck all my stuff back in it. We really should have emptied that glove box before it all fell on the floor. Sorry about that. Chuck it in the glove box. Then you're just going to put those rubber stops back in. Push and twist. Look at that. One down, one to go. We're almost done. What are we in? 5 minutes. And once it's in and twisted, just close him up. That is job done, Mr. Mechanic.
Yep.
And that is it. That is how easy it is to change a cabin filter on a Hyundai i30 by a 10-year-old. So if you're not sure, just set a, depending on how much driving you're doing, set a reminder in your calendar every 12 months or 6 months to check it, because that is controlling the air that you breathe in inside your vehicle. So don't overpay for these simple basic maintenance items. You can do that yourself. If you got time, go check it out. I hope that helps, and let us know if you need any other tips or advice on how to change filters or anything easy in the car, and I will have Marcus demonstrate just how easy it really is. What do you reckon?
Yep.